Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating or forking the notebook, so you inherit dataset links and permissions. This avoids root-loading files. Select the kernel Python or R and enable GPU or TPU when training models, because it speeds up experiments. Once done, add data with the +Add Data button or programmatically mount via the Kaggle API. You need your API token in the notebook secrets. These are the first actionable steps to get a reproducible workspace. Now structure your work. Imports and environment setup go first, then data cleaning, feature engineering, model code, and evaluation, so each cell has a single purpose. Execute cells top to bottom and use magics like %time to measure performance or %% bash to install packages. This improves reproducibility. Make frequent commits to notebook versions so you can revert, name versions descriptively. If you plan to collaborate, add comments and hidden cells only for secrets to keep others able to run your notebook. To finish, run the full notebook restart and run all to confirm it completes end-to-end, then publish or download outputs as CSVs for submission. Make sure to enable internet access only if required and bundle dependencies and requirements. TXT to avoid environment drift. If something fails, inspect the runtime logs and kernel memory usage, then pin package versions or upgrade the kernel. These steps fix 90% of issues. Finally, save a final version with a clear title and summary for reproducibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.